Okay, one more time I want to show you how to set up your paper for the MLA argument paper. So we need to select Times New Roman 12-point font, and we also need a double space, and you can hit paragraph and come right in here. We're going to do 0, 0, double, and then click the box that says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. You're going to put your name, my name, the class, and the date. Okay. You also need to insert page numbers, top of page, the one on the far right, last name with a space. This will come up in the default font, so go ahead and do it in Times New Roman 12. Okay. And then from here, you will center your title. Hit enter once, get back on the left margin, and then you'll tab over. And that's it. Okay, and make sure that you hit save as you go. Okay, so that's how we're going to set it up. Set up all the papers that way. That's the last time I'm going to show you. I wanted to look at one more paper, and this will be also linked to the assignment to resources. Similar to the cell phone video that I posted earlier, take a look at how this particular paper is set up. We have the last name and the page number. We have the information here, and the title is centered. Notice that this title is a little bit longer. So yes, you can have 2 lines of title. Your title shouldn't be any more than 12 words, which 12 words is a lot. So we wouldn't want it that long anyway, but for sure no longer than 12 words. Okay, so this is another model paper provided by a textbook, and it's going to have the notes on the side. It's similar to the other one. This one's about performance enhancement drugs in sports. So, introduction paragraph, setting it up in context, ending the introduction with a thesis statement, okay? So here we go. Athletes who use any type of biotechnology give themselves an unfair advantage and disrupt the sense of fair play, and they should be banned from competition. So a thesis statement deals with the subject and your opinion on the subject, and thesis statements can appear in a variety of ways. Sometimes you will want to show your order of your essay within the thesis statement, and that's fine. Sometimes you won't. Again, when we are talking about paragraphs, a good model to follow is the pie paragraph, where we have a point, we have information, and we have some explanation. It is not always going to be that cut and dry, but sometimes it is. Take note of how this student author uses the author's last name and page number here when citing specific information. Okay. Also, don't forget that you need to address your opposition at some point. It doesn't have to be a huge, long ordeal, but you do need to acknowledge the opposition and refute what they are saying. If you are quoting a quote, so let's say your text actually quotes someone else, so then this is how you would cite it. QTD period in lowercase I, because a word's going to make it change to capital. You need it lowercase. And then that author of that text, okay? So Rudebeck actually said this himself, while this was by someone else, and Dr. Andy Mia, and was just quoted in that particular article. Here we have another author's ideas, Jenkins, and from page D11. And again, another quoted in, okay? And as I showed you before, this one, the works cited, is its own separate page. And kind of like your requirements, this one only has 3 sources. So take a look at all of the samples and look at how the authors have set them up, how they've written. Take note that each paragraph should really focus on one separate issue, and you don't want to mix issues within paragraphs. Okay. Hope this helps.